Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we're taking a look at a repair we did on a Windmöller Hölscher gearbox. Windmöller Hölscher, or W&H, is a global leader in high-speed printing, extrusion, and packaging machinery. These gear drives are engineered for extreme precision and reliable continuous operation. At Specialty Gear Drives, we specialize in tackling their complexity. Our repair begins with a full disassembly and inspection of the multi-stage helical gear train. We meticulously examine the critical bearing bores and all integrated lubrication components, which are a vital part of W&H's design. Our machine shop restores every aspect. We install new bearings, seals, and replace any worn gears, ensuring perfect alignment and precise gear mesh across all stages. The entire unit is reassembled, aligned, and returned to factory specifications. The result is a fully repaired gearbox certified with our 24-month warranty and ready for the high demands of the production floor. For expert repair on your W&H drive, trust Specialty Gear Drives. Visit SpecialtyGearDrives.com.